Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, market taking a pause, becoming volatile for the week. And but Nifty, if you see, was still more bearish than Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty held itself over here, did not break the low, but Nifty, if you see, pretty broke the low, but kind of closed again above the low. So what can we expect from here is very simple. First of all, in Nifty, if you see, Nifty is at a very crucial point of 16,800. Nifty has taken continuous support from 16,800 in the past. Then it took resistance also. Once it broke it, that again took support, and now it's again taking support, right? So Nifty is at a very crucial point, because from here, if Nifty breaks, then we can see big targets on the downside, right? Because then there is not really a lot of supports till 15,200 and 16,000, right? So Nifty is at a very crucial point now, right? If buyers have to take the market up, they will have to be they will have to be strong over here, and they should be fast, or not fast, but at least they should sustain over here, right? They should not let the bears take over here, because if bears take over and if we break this low, then we will need to go down over here, and then things will start looking a little bearish for the whole year. But yeah, talking about Bank Nifty again, over here, as you guys can see, Bank Nifty sustaining itself, but it was very volatile this week. But what can we expect in Bank Nifty is that there are still a few supports on the downside, right? Like there is 38,000, which is a good support. Then we also have 37,500 on the downside, after which there is not really much support, right? So Bank Nifty is still a little more bullish than Nifty. But yeah, what can we expect? First, let's see the daily chart and see what we can see, right? In the daily chart, if you see, Bank Nifty broke this trend line that I was talking about, and then went up, took resistance from this trend line. Let me just go ahead and yeah, took resistance from this trend line, and now is moving down, right? So what is happening over here is that sellers, if they need to take the market down from here, they will need to be very fast, right? If we should probably see closing somewhere near 39,000 tomorrow itself, right? If the sellers have to take the market down, they will need to close the market over here, because if the buyers sustain over here, then we could see a very big reversal, right, from here till at least 42,000 or 43,000 levels on the upside. So from here, if the sellers have to take the market down, they will need to take the market down fast, right? And if the sellers are very active over here, we will get to know that tomorrow itself in Bank Nifty, right? In Nifty, however, if you see on the daily chart, Nifty looks a little bit more bearish, right? Nifty last week was also more bearish. It is now also looking more bearish, and 16,800 is very, very important on the downside. This swing that you see over here is very important. And if we break this swing tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, then there is really, very less chance for the bulls to take over the market to very high levels from here, right? Maybe then we could, slide down till 16,000 very easily. So 16,800 is very important, and Nifty should not break it. But what could happen if the buyers have to take the market up? What will happen is that we could go down over here, and then we could close up again, right? We could close with some candle like this, right, over here, and then we could make a double bottom pattern over here, and then break out on the upside. And if that happens, then we can see big targets on the upside for the coming days, right? In Nifty, however, as I said, this low should not be broken, and in Nifty also, if we make a double bottom pattern over here, then we can see higher targets of 17,800 and also 18,000 in the coming weeks, right? Talking about in the 15-minute chart, what we can see is, just give me a sec. Yeah, as I said, 39,000 is very important. So this low over here is very important for Bank Nifty as well. But what you can see is that Bank Nifty is kind of making a lower low pattern as of now in the 15-minute chart. So tomorrow, if the bears have to take over, even if you open with a small gap up, they will need to be very fast in taking the market down. So even if you open somewhere near like 39,500 or 39,450, you will get to know in the first half itself if the bears are strong or not, right? And if the bears are strong, they will take the market down very fast till 39,000. So where you can trade is very simple. As soon as we break this low over here, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target should be 39,000 on the downside. But kind of go a little, kind of keep your stop loss very tight, right? Because if as I say, right, selling is always fast. So if the selling has to happen, and if selling has to happen fast, you will really not need a big stop loss, right? You'll need a very small stop loss and that will be enough, right? On the upside, if you open with a big gap up somewhere near 39,600, 700, all these levels, if we break instantly on the upside, do not take a trade. Why? Because what will happen is that if we instantly break this, some people could go, it will create a lot of volatility. So what would be the best scenario for buying over here is that we open somewhere over here, spend some time before breaking this high over here, spend some time over here, and maybe spend time in the first half and then break out in the second half. And if that happens, if we break out in the second half about 39,770, then we get a target of 40,000, which is a round level on the upside, 39,950 on the upside, which you guys can aim for, right? Again, if you open with a very big gap down, things could again be a little volatile, because 39,000, if we straight up are opening at 39,000, people who would have created short positions over here, now they would want to book their positions over here, right? So we could see a little bit of volatility, but there should not be a full-on recovery, right? If you open at 39,000, there should not be a straight up recovery over here, right? Even if you open at 39,100, 200, we will just ignore for tomorrow and see how exactly things are going. Even if we break tomorrow after opening gap down, even if we break, do not worry, we will get many more trades, many more good trades in the coming days. So there is no point in doing FOMO tomorrow. Anyways, talking about Nifty, if you see Nifty looking more bearish, but yeah, if we now what should happen in Nifty ideally is that we open with a little bit of gap up somewhere near 16,970, 980, all these levels. We spend some time before breaking this low. Once we spend like the first hour, and after which we break this low, then it will be very good, because new sellers will get added and it will make sure that the market goes down without a lot of hiccups from here till 16,800, right? So that will be the best scenario for you to sell, right? So wait for, if we break down after opening itself, then it's okay, do not take a trade. Or if you want to also take a trade, take trade with less quantity over here, because this trend will continue, but anybody who would have sold over here, they could exit their positions, which could create a bit of sharp pullbacks. So if you do not take a pause over here after opening, it's okay, you can take a trade, but keep your quantity a little small, right? If you open with any sort of a gap down, as I said, just ignore tomorrow's trade. We will see what we can do on Tuesday and Wednesday, right? On the upside, if we open with a gap up, right, and if we spend some time over here, if we do not, like as I said, right, at least if we wait for the first half, right, before breaking this high, and then we break, then it is very good. If we break straight up, then I would recommend do not take a trade over here, because then we could see a little bit of volatility on the upside. So if we wait over here before breaking 17,100, only then go ahead and take a trade, or else you can just wait. We will get many good trends in the coming days also, right? But it is very important, as I said, for Nifty and Bank Nifty, to wait over here for some time, to wait in this zone itself for some time without breaking these lows, right? Because if we wait, then the buyers can take over the market, and then we could see a very, very good rally in the coming days, in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. But let's see how tomorrow goes. We will get to know how things are kind of panning out in 1 or 2 days max, because if the sellers have to take the market down, they will not wait for anyone, they will just take the market down tomorrow itself, right? Anyways guys, this is a make or break situation, and as I said, you can wait for some time. It's okay, you do not have to take every trade on every day. You can wait for some time, you will get many more trades. So if you can just wait for 1 or 2 days also, that would be very great. We will get many more good trades and easy trades in the coming days, right? And yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.